So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share. You can also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we are going to be posting for you guys. And also, guys, one more thing, right? Click on the bell notification and follow our Telegram channel. I will be putting the link to the Telegram in the comment section. And once you subscribe to this channel, which is the YouTube, so click on that bell notification. Now, let's see what gold will be giving us this week. Also have it in mind that I've actually done analysis for the week on our gold. If you have not yet watched the weekly analysis for gold, it will be best to check the channel so you will be able to watch the weekly analysis. So now let's start with our trend on our gold. First thing first, we need to know what gold is giving us. As you can see that we are in an uptrend move. Gold is clearly on an uptrend move. You can see it, right? This is the first high that gold was able to give. Then here comes the higher low. Gold was able to push up again to form a new high. And here comes the higher low, right? Gold eventually pushed up again to form a new high. And here comes the higher low, right? Now gold eventually pushed up again to form a new high, which is a new higher high. And here comes the higher low right here. And higher low right here that market has formed. Market was able to push up again to form a massive new high. You can see massive movement to the upside, which is a new higher high. And now we will be expecting market to push up until an higher low wants to start forming. Once an higher low wants to start forming, I will make sure I let you guys to know. I'll make sure I give you guys the update. For now, market is still pushing up massively. So because of that, we will be expecting, we will still be anticipating for more movement to the upside. So that should not take us to our 4-hour time frame. As you can see that this is a massive bullish move. And here comes the higher low. This is also a massive bullish move. And here comes the higher low, right? This is also a massive bullish move. And here comes the higher low, right? This is also a massive bullish move, which is a new high that took out this previous high, right? Then we will be expecting market to push up further till it is able to fully give a new higher high. Then after that new higher high and higher low is what we'll be expecting. After the higher low, we will be expecting another movement to the upside, which will be a bullish move. So above all, we are still on a bullish move on our gold. So for the day, we should expect gold to give us a bullish move. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on any single updates.